Okay, here we have it. My first exotic Michael Kelly's guitar. What a cool name for a company, named after his son and daughter. It has been over 2 months since I've ordered it. Outer box packing slip. Alright, pictures on the web have been fabulous. Let's see what we've got here. Oh, we've got damage. Quite severe. Chip in the corner. Color is really cool, but I guess I need to see about sending back because of the damage there. But since it's here,